So there it is installed. I mean, it certainly looks cool if you wanted to flex on people at the mall or something.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What's up? So it's been about a month and I've been running this Momentum GT intake with a throttle body spacer, and I think I can now confidently say this does absolutely nothing. I have not seen any MPG gains. I've not seen any horsepower gains. There's a slight bump over 3,500 RPMs where the truck will lurch a little bit and make a little more noise. Also, the throttle body spacer definitely does whistle. When I did my first test drive, I didn't have my windows down. As soon as I put my windows down later, though, and a couple days later when it was nicer, that thing is whistling Dixie. So I want absolutely nothing to do with this. It is an absolute waste of money. Save your money for other mods. And that's coming from me, who has probably done a lot of questionable and maybe pointless mods to my Tacoma, things that I don't necessarily need. But this mod is so expensive and so pointless that I cannot in good conscience recommend it to anybody. Don't buy one. So there she is, our little noise box that netted me no performance gains whatsoever. The magical throttle body spacer, which also was completely worthless. You can maybe make an argument that that intake does something because it only has the one layer of filter and not the carbon filter built in like the stock airbox does. But I mean, it's whatever it does do is absolutely negligible. Like I said, I saw no performance gains from this whatsoever, and I think it's all gimmicks and marketing. And you might ask, hey, if this is all just gimmicky and marketing, then why does AFE still make these things? Well, that's because people keep buying them. That's like asking, why do people wear Crocs? Because there's not a whole lot of point to them. I don't think they look good. I don't even know if they do anything better than being barefoot, but people keep buying them, so the company is going to keep selling them, and that is just good old-fashioned capitalism for you. AFE airbox gone. Looks better already. Enjoy your time shipping back to Amazon.